Our last legal document in this unit is Report 100-71, a complaint, on page 388 and 89. There are not specific instructions on the textbook pages as for the other documents because this is a review lesson. However, there are many notes in the margin, and we're going to illustrate the construction of this document. The first step is going to be to clear all tabs. And set the same 3 tabs we've been setting. 1 left tab, 1 inch I should say, 3.25 left tab, and 6.5 right tab. And again, check your ruler at the top. Now we're going to apply line numbers. We move to the page layout tab, and in the page setup group, line numbers we set to restart on each page. These will not have your lines breaking at the exact same places as in the textbook. That's fine. As the instructions indicate, you should have 44 on the first page and 31 on the second. Alright, I'm going to illustrate by typing, but not always talk you through all the steps this time, but you can compare your page to mine as you go. Alright, notice that we've been using our 6.5 inch tab at the right margin to type each of these lines, and that there are 20 underscores for the case number. On line 11, opposite versus on the left of the parentheses, we're going to type complaint, which is really the title of the document, on the right. Alright, the last of our parentheses on line 17. Press enter twice. Press enter twice here, always before the Roman numerals. You want a blank line, and they are centered. So I'm going to turn off show hide here so that we can get a better look at how I pasted all of these articles in. This first paragraph needs its tab. So we'll make these corrections and double check that we have 44 lines on the first page, and we're not finished with the second page. After Article 8, insert a blank line, tab, enter twice. Here we come to a tricky place with this list. I'm going to type these unformatted and then apply the list, but then some adjustments need to be made as indicated in the instructions on the right. They are multi-line items, so they need a blank line between them. And hit enter twice again for the signed line. Now let's select these 2 lines. We will increase the indent to 1 inch to match the paragraph style. And actually it worked this time, though we had to hit increase indent several times. So now we're going to finish this document On line 24, I tab to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, period. Enter twice, tab twice, underline to the margin, enter once, tab twice, okay, that looks good, and all we have to do now are insert the page numbers. Bottom of page in the center, which is the second option here, plain number 2. We do want the page numbers to show on both pages. Let's close the header and footer, give our document one last look. Refinancing is not a word that Word recognizes, but that's okay. Okay, now return to GDP, save, score, review your document, and correct all errors to 0.